Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I want to try and pick this Union 5-lever Mortice lock that I've never picked before, don't really know what's in it, so I can try running through what I was talking about the other week.
It's red.
Yes, it's red.
Why are all of them red? Most of them red.
Not all red.
Most of them, all the ones that you've got, mostly are red or grey. Why can't there be a different colour like blue?
Some of them are.
I've never seen a blue one. So, take the line.
So all I'm doing at the minute is putting a decent amount of tension on and trying to lift everything into the first gate that it will go into. Just doing lots of little lifts. And there we go, we've got everything into a gate. So what I'm going to do is go through, see what's in a true gate. So I want the back, pretty high lift, and there's in a true gate. Front we're a little bit lower, and then a false gate. And 3, got a high lift and it's a true gate. But that's 1 for some reason. How did I do that? Okay. 1, high lift, true gate. 2, slightly lower than 1 and there's a true gate. 3, lower again and there's a false gate. 5 is high and true. 4, slightly lower and false.
False.
So 3 needs to go higher, I think. Or lower. 3 needs to be higher or lower. I think 4 needs to be lower, probably. Just having a good feel of them and remembering what it all feels like. Trying again. 9 5, low on 4, high on 1, high on 2, a little tickle on 3, high on 5, that feels in the gate, low on 4, that feels like it's in the gate.
How's it going?
5, 4 in gate, 3 is not. Everything's in the gate, something's in the false one though. Let's see what we've got this time. 5, I've lifted 5 too high and it is now in the false gate. 4 is high. And then a false gate. 1's high and a true. 2 slightly lower and true.
Did you do it?
Nope. I have a feeling this is going to be a pain. Really?
Yep. I'm just having a moment to myself.
Why?
What?
Why?
Because I was just having one of those moments. Because I'm just feeling a bit weird.
Nothing unusual coming from a person who's a bit weird.
What?
Love you.
What me?
And we're in the false gate again.
Oh my leg. Bleeded.
What colour?
Red. Because I'm red. Bleeding. I just watched my leg. And there was a cut. I don't know how there was a cut, but there was.
Five's in the gate, four's in the gate, three's in the gate, two's in the gate, one's in the gate. I'm obviously wrong about something. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What?
Something to the false gate.
Again?
Yeah.
Goodness me.
Oh, this made it slightly more challenging than I thought. There we go. So yeah, but that was a completely blind pick. I don't know what's in it, never picked it before. It's just a case of picking everything into a gate, having a feel, and then adjusting for what you're feeling, like according to what you feel. If it feels solid as a rock, you're in a false gate. If the lever feels loose, like it's moving a little bit, you have a little bit of movement, and it's in a true gate. But you need to get everything in the gate to test it properly.
You're going to cut it open?
Cut it open.
Yeah. You
want to see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have a look to see what's inside. So yep, this is what's inside. So number 1, have
A
the
lever.
Yep, false gate at the bottom. 2, false gate at the bottom again.
Another lever.
3,
Another lever.
false gate at the bottom. 4,
Another lever.
which is the one that was given as hassle, was because I was falling into the false gate when I was trying to lift it. I had to consciously lift over that false gate. And then 5, false gate at the bottom. That's actually a fairly easy set of levers. Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
That was delayed. Let's try it again. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
It's better. Open. Open. It's not open. It's not voice activated. Open it. It says, open it. No.